This lady you see here wants to buy a pair of slippers. She sees that the slippers are priced at 100 rupees. And at the moment, there is no discount. Can she pay 100 rupees to the shopkeeper and buy the slippers? Is that the only amount she will have to pay? No. Apart from this 100, she also has to pay something called tax, which goes to the government. So apart from the 100 rupees, this lady also has to pay an additional amount to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper pays that amount to the government. This kind of tax is called sales tax. Basically, it is the tax that is paid by the shopkeeper to the government for selling the goods. And the shopkeeper collects that tax from you. Assume the sales tax rate is 10%. Now let's calculate the tax that this lady will have to pay. The sales tax will be 10% of 100 rupees. We consider 10% of the marked price. That will be 10 by 100 multiplied by 100, which equals 10 rupees. This is the additional amount the lady will have to pay over and above the marked price in order to buy the slippers. So the total price of the slippers will be 100 rupees plus 10 rupees of tax, and that amounts to 110 rupees. Let me give you another interesting scenario. The lady goes to the shop after a month to buy the same pair of slippers for her sister. But this time the shopkeeper is offering a 40% discount on the slippers. Now it gets really interesting. First, let's calculate the selling price after the discount. Remember, the discount is always a percentage of the marked price. So the discount in rupees terms will be 40% of 100. 40% of the marked price. It equals 40 by 100 multiplied by 100. 100 cancels out and it will equal 40 rupees. This will be the discount on these slippers. The selling price will be equal to the marked price minus the discount. Marked price is 100 and the discount is 40. Hence, the selling price would be 100 minus 40, which equals 60 rupees. Now, here's the tricky part. This lady will have to pay sales tax here too. But the important question is, does she pay tax on the marked price or on the discounted selling price? Well, the sales tax is always paid on the selling price and not the marked price. Let's zoom out a bit. In this case, the sales tax will be 10% of 60. Remember, 60 is the selling price. It will equal 10 by 100 multiplied by 60. 10 times 10 is 100 and 10 times 6 is 60. Hence, the sales tax equals 6 rupees. Compare the sales tax in each case. Here, it's lesser since the percentage was calculated over the selling price, which is lesser than the marked price. So the total price you will pay this time is 60 rupees plus 6 rupees, that is 66 rupees in all.